Good day, everyone. My name is Jacinta. Today we are going to talk about five services. Five services. Yes, it's five. We're going to talk about five services you can render and make money from it. You don't need to go and sell anything. You don't need to start producing anything. Now is what you can do for people to pay you money. Services. You do it for people, they will pay you money. You do it for people, they will give you your money. Cool money. Yes, that is what we are going to talk about today. And one of them is, and a very vital one, is real estate business. Real estate business. You know our problem. When they call something with this English language, sometimes we get confused. When they call real estate business, wow, real estate. I'm not an estate manager. How am I going to do it? I'm not strong enough. How am I going to go about it? No, you can just do your simple estate in your compound. Start in your compound. How do you start it? In your compound, in your streets. You don't need to stretch yourself. Once there is any vacant in your compound, any vacant house, room, parlor, duplex in your compound, no problem. This is business now. You just have to go and meet your landlord and ask the landlord, how much are they renting this house? How much? They will tell you. Say, please, I'm doing agent to work. You just need to advertise yourself by yourself. You don't need to go to radio station. Advertise yourself by yourself. I do agent work. Let them know, so that they will know that you have interest. There's money that they're supposed to give you once you bring somebody. So what you now do is to start calling. You can go to your WhatsApp, start putting, there's a house to rent in my compound though. It is so. Please, if you are interested, call me, DM me. Let us talk. There's a house in our street though. There's a room and parlor in my street though. There's a duplex in my street for sale. It is 50 million. Please, if you see anybody that wants to buy, let me know. Like that. Like play. You will start to make cool cash. So when it comes to bigger one, if you have a big meat, like you catch a big meat, you have to go and partner with a professional estate manager. Yes, so that they will put you through. But if you are going through all the simple rent one room, rent two rooms, rent 3-bedroom flats, no problem. You can still consult them to take knowledge from them, no problem. But if you have big one, you need somebody that is a professional. They will take their own cut. You take your own cut. Your own point is that you must make money from this service by bringing somebody, by telling somebody. After all, you make call. After all, you use your data. After all, you talk with your mouth. It's your strength. You understand? You need to get something out of it. So that is real estate for you. You must not go to sell estates. If you have the power, if you are empowered, you have the power to sell estates, no problem. If there is estate around you, both online, offline, you can sell it. Like, you know me, I'm into real estate business. So if you want to buy any land in anywhere, any states in Nigeria, even outside the country, just let me know the country. You want to buy in Nigeria, just let me know the states. I do the business. It's a very sweet and stress-free business if you know how to go about it. So thank me later if you get started. And if you don't know how to get started, just let me know that you still need more from this real estate business, and I will put you to comment in my section. Comment there in the comment section. Tell me that you need to know more about real estate, and I will attend to you later. Thank you very much. Next is cleaning agent. Cleaning agents. There is some of us, some men can clean. Some women are very good in cleaning. They can do clean. They can, if you come inside their house, their room, with the wall, you can see you can see yourself. On the floor, you can see yourself. They are very, very good in cleaning, making everywhere to be clean. But I would like to tell you that you can make money with it. Many people, they cannot even sweep their compound. They cannot sweep their room. So you help them and sweep it and collect your money. You help them and sweep it, collect your money. People will rent house, they cannot even wash the house, they cannot do anything. That is, you can make it in a big way. You have people that help you to do the work. You must not do the work on your own. Just tell people, please, we'll be going to clean a house somewhere. I'll pay 2,000 naira or 200 naira. It depends on the level and the kind of cleaning services that you get. You call people, you call laborers. You can go to where laborers used to stay, call them, please, I need people to help me and clean. So how much, they will tell you. So from there, you'll be getting an idea on how to price when you have someone or somewhere to clean. You take them there to clean some by yourself. Some small ones that you can do all alone, you do it all alone. And take your money. It's a very cool money. And it's just 1 day, 2 days, and you've collected your money and you go home. You don't need to sleep there. You just do it and you go. It's sweeping, it's cleaning. So thank me later if you can start that business, if you have the power, in its strength. So next is dry cleaning business, laundry business. That is what they call it, laundry. Some of our men and women cannot wash their clothes, even their own needs, they can't wash it. Some can wash, but they don't have the time. They can do their laundries, but they don't have the time. So what do you do? If you know you are good in this kind of thing, why can't you start your laundry business in your room, in your own bathroom, in your own compound? You can just start it. You must not buy big equipment for laundry, buy big washing machine, buy big dry machine, buy big ironing machine, buy big pressing machine, buy every machine. No, you can just start it washing with your hand. From the money that you make from washing with your hand, you can buy washing machine. But if you have washing machine already, then what are you waiting for? Wash for people and collect money. You collect money, but even if there is no light, you can buy fuel, put in your generator, you can wash your clothes, dry it with sun, use your pressing iron, press it by yourself and make it sweet for them. They will pay you. They are ready to pay any amount. They are ready to pay because of what? They cannot do it by themselves, so they are ready to pay you. So if you are good at washing of clothes, it is high time you start your manual dry cleaning business, manual laundry business. Start it. If you start with manual, as time goes on, you will graduate to mechanical. You start using machines to do it. So get started immediately. And once you start, call me on phone to thank me later. So another one is catering service business. You must not really be a caterer. Yes, you can just go. You heard that people want to do wedding, they are planning to do wedding. Oh, you go and meet them. Please, oh, we are doing cake. You don't even know the ingredient that I need to do cake. No problem. This is marketing, catering marketing business. You know where they want to do traditional marriage, you go and tell them, please, we are doing. Oh, they will tell you, we have gotten, say, hey, please, you should patronize me, patronize us. Say, where is your shop? You know, before you start going to meet people, you have met people that are doing all the caterers, people that are into both decoration. Go and meet them. Let them tell you how much they will pay you if you get a contract for them. You should settle it. If you get contract of 30,000, your money is 5,000. If you get contract of so amount, your money is so amount. It should be clarified. So you don't have to go to market and start looking for people that need catering services. No, you will hear it. It will come into your ear free of charge. On your WhatsApp, you see it on people's status that they are planning to get married. You see people by yourself trying to do something, birthdays. You will see in your people's status, birthday loading. That is business for you. You just chat the person up. What of your cake? Is it ready? Say, you know we are doing cake. you are producing cake, you say, when did you start? To say, we started since I am working with so person, you know her office, you know her shop there. Say, I don't even know that you used to go. They say, that is where I'm working now. So please, you come and patronize us. Simple. Because once the person come and patronize you, you have already gotten your money. Some people will tell you, that place is far, I cannot start going there. We'll say, no problem, I will come to your house. You understand? I will come to your house and take the money. Just give me the money. Just transfer the money. I'll send in my account right away. Send the money. I will do the cake. I will bring it to your house. So don't worry, my friend. Don't worry. I will bring the cake to your house on that day. And you try as much as possible not to disappoint anybody. So you tell your caterer, see you, this cake is very important cake. I don't want you to spoil my business, and let me not spoil your own. So you have to be very, very careful. So they will do it for you, and you go and keep them. You collect the money, take your own cut, keep them their own cut. Life goes on. Very simple. So if you are somebody that has many friends, you have a lot of friends that like celebration, see, that celebration is for your upliftment. Take charge of the celebration, both the decoration, everything, whether you know how to do it or not. If you have time to learn it, no problem, learn it. But even as you're learning it, you're already making money on it. Thank you very much. So another one is painting. My men, even women, some strong women, they can do painting. House painting. Now I'm talking about painting generally. Women, you can paint nails. Yes, you can paint, do your manicure, pedicure, no problem. Men, you can paint houses. Some women can also paint houses. You don't need to go to school of painting. You don't have to start going to school of painting to start learning how to do paint or something like that. No. All you have to do is just meet people. Painting is very simple something. Just with that brush, you are good to go. There are professional painters, so they are professional painters. But some people that want to paint their house, they don't even know the difference between professional painters and not professional painters. But once you are doing it, anything you want to do, try to make it to be good. Try to put more effort. If you have, you can learn how to paint, do painting online. You can learn it online. If you have phone, if you don't have phone, no problem. Just locate where they are doing painting. Just go there and be discussing with them. Just look at what they are doing. Cool down. Look at what they are doing. Go to meet people that are selling paint. See, I'm doing painting, in case if somebody come and buy paint, but you have to pay me. They will pay me. It's not free of charge. It's not, I'm doing painting, but it's not free of charge. They pay me. You can even meet people that are selling paint and tell them, please, if I bring customers to come and buy paint from you, how much is my money? How much? Try to know. It's a very good business. You don't need a shop. You don't need it. There are shops already there for you. No problem. Just go to different shops, meet them if you have the strength to do that. So painting business is you don't need to be a professional, but work on yourself. As you are doing the work, try to make it better day by day. So all these services is what you can render, and you make a lot of money. We will still bring more of it later, but now, if these few ones are very helpful to you, or you grab something from it, or you see any truth from what I'm saying, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You see a bell there, just touch the bell, so that anytime I upload new video, you will see it. So that anytime I bring new video, you'll be the first person to know. If you hit that bell, once I upload any video, you will be the first person to be informed that Coach Jesse has released another video. So please like it, comment anything you want to say. Write it there in the comment section. Just go down there, see comment, just write something. If there's any other services that you know that will help a lot of us here, please just say it there. We will pick it from there. Thank you very much. Remain ever blessed. Thank you.